Hi everyone, let's learn how to fix Apple Watch notifications not coming or not showing onto your Apple Watch. What to do it? As you can see, here is the notification bar at the top. You can slide down and check out the notifications. Here is just one notification right now, and now there are no notifications. What if the notifications are actually not coming onto your watch? Well, for that, first make sure that your watch has been connected with the Bluetooth. Make sure to check that out. Let's go to the all settings, search for the Bluetooth option. Okay, where it is? Simply go to the settings, scroll down, and here is Bluetooth. As you can see, it is paired up with these things. It is turned on, and Apple Watch from iPhone. You can see it is connected and you can very easily get the notifications. Otherwise, the second thing is verify your iPhone's settings and your watch settings as well. As you can see here, notifications into the setting, make sure these notifications has been turned on. It should not be turned off, it should be turned on. And now when you go back, as you can see onto your phone, let's check out the notifications here as well. At the top it is turned on. As you can see, this is how I can do it. It is turned on, so you will be good to go. So these are just two settings you need to take care of. That make sure that your phone and your watch are connected with the Bluetooth and the notifications are turned on onto your phone settings. As you can see here, sorry, onto your phone settings as well. Here, go to the settings, go to notifications, and make sure these are turned on. As you can see, it has been on its stack. So make sure both Apple Watch and the Apple phone's notifications has been turned on. So this is how you can do it. I hope this is going to be informative for you and you will get the idea how to do so. So thank you so much and may you all have a great day.